Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to build a website with Cloud Code. Cloud Code can help you build a website from scratch by creating pages, writing code, designing layout, adding functionality, and fixing bugs along the way. Whether you are building a portfolio, business site, blog, or web application, Cloud can guide the entire process. First of all, which is the most important step for any Cloud user, is to start by clearly explaining what you want to build. So for example, let's say that you want to build a portfolio. So I'm going to just simply paste this, build a portfolio website with a home page, about page, products page, and contact form. Or you can literally just say, create a modern business website for a digital marketing agency, for example. So you could either tell them like details or simply be as global as possible. The more details you provide, the better the results will be. So make sure to take that in consideration. Now, once you do that, ask Cloud to create a plan. Before generating code, ask Cloud to outline the project. So you should ask him, for example, create a step-by-step plan for building this website, including pages, features that you are going to add, technologies, infrastructure. And also ask them what are the best languages that should be, like programming languages, that are going to be used. This helps you understand the project before development begins. Then, simply just ask them to generate the website. Ask Cloud to actually generate the project from project folders, page structure, components, navigation menus, and layout files. A strong structure makes future development easier and more organized, and of course for you to be editing them by yourself. And simply, instead of generating the entire website at once, just ask the AI to start by generating each page at a time, and you should be the one that's confirming to move on or to stay behind. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in next upcoming videos.